Okay, I'm gonna pick up where I left off. So right now we've created some tabs, and the only tabs we've created are actual pages. So the next thing we want to do is create some portfolio lists, like our live preview. So we have latest videos, popular, recommended, and those are really easy to create. So let's just go ahead and start off by going under theme options, and so it's appearance, theme options, and then in the homepage tab we have these options to turn on these tabs like in the live preview. So we can do that. Let's go ahead and just turn one on. We'll just do recommended videos. So I selected yes to show it, and then let's save options, and we'll go back to our homepage, and now you'll notice there's a recommendations tab. So now you'll notice that there's no videos there, and let's start by showing some portfolio posts. So we'll just go to our dashboard, and under portfolio, let's just add a new portfolio item. Now let's go ahead and call this one, you know, example portfolio item, and then the key step that we're going to have to do is create a type. Now, all the recommended videos are going to show up if they're in the recommended category. So I'll go ahead and actually let's not add any types yet. Let's just publish this and I'll show you it as an example. So if we go back to our home page, if we see latest videos, our post will show up in the latest video, but under recommendations it won't. And that's because latest videos will pull all of your videos. To get it show up in the recommendations, we can go back. Let's edit our post. We'll go back into the portfolio post. Let's edit it, and we need to add a category or a type. Now, for recommendations, it's the recommended. I think I spelled that right. And then let's publish this. So now it's in that recommended type. We'll update that. Let's go back to our site. Under recommendations, we now have our portfolio post. And that's how you're going to want to get any more posts in. So it's the same thing for popular. Let's go ahead and go to our theme options. Let's enable popular. So let's enable popular, say yes, save our options. Let's go back just to see. So now we have our popular videos tab with no videos. Let's add a popular video. And then, so in our portfolio, we'll add a new post. And let's call this one awesome video. And we'll want to go to types. We'll add a new category, and this one will be popular. Now, in the theme options, it tells you what types go with which tab. So let's add popular. Let's publish our post now. We can go back to our site, and now we'll have one popular video, which is awesome, one recommendation, and then they'll both show in latest videos. And you can, update, your posts if you want to change the category that it's in or the type. You just can deselect it, select recommended, and then you'll update your post. So now we don't have any in popular again, but we have 2 in recommendations. So it's real simple. Just create a portfolio post and select the correct type. And as I mentioned before, if we go under theme options, it'll say, for instance, show recommendations. It'll display posts from the recommended category. So it's very simple. And then, of course, you can turn them off, or you can change the title of the tab, all within the theme options.